Trade set UP for Tuesday. Nifty Bank. The Bank Nifty was the key driver for a rally in Nifty 50, gaining 278 points to end at a record closing high of 44,072. The banking index has formed a bullish candlestick pattern on the daily scale, making higher tops for the third straight session. It managed to close just above the psychological level of 44,000, which is a positive indication. The decent addition in the 44,000 pace suggests that there is strong support at 44,000. However, a decisive fall below 44,000 could potentially trigger panic in the banking sector, Rupak Dutta, senior technical analyst at LKP Securities said. On the other hand, a decisive move above 44,152 might propel the Bank Nifty towards the 44,500 level, while the key support levels to watch out for are 44,000 and 43,700. As per the pivot point calculator, the Bank Nifty may take support at 43,778, followed by 43,664 and 43,478. Key resistance levels are expected to be 44,149 along with 44,263 and 44,449. Call options data. On the weekly options front, the maximum call open interest, OI, was at 18,500 strike, with 65.69 lakh contracts, which is expected to be a crucial resistance level for the Nifty in the coming sessions. This was followed by 18,600 strike comprising 63.07 lakh contracts, and 18,400 strike with more than 61.46 lakh contracts. Call writing was at 18,400 strike, which added 18.45 lakh contracts, followed by the 18,700 strike, which added 16.29 lakh contracts, and 18,600 strike, which added 14.99 lakh contracts. Meaningful call unwinding was at 18,300 strike, which shed 24.15 lakh contracts, followed by 18,200 strike, which shed 11.08 lakh contracts, and 19,300 strike, which shed 1.58 lakh contracts. Put option data. The maximum put open interest was at 18,300 strike with 86.56 lakh contracts, which is expected to act as an important support level in the coming sessions. This was followed by the 18,200 strike, comprising 70.17 lakh contracts, and the 18,000 strike where we have 69.38 lakh contracts. Put writing was seen at 18,400 strike, which added 40.9 lakh contracts, followed by 18,300 strike, which added 22.11 lakh contracts, and 17,800 strike which added 21.77 lakh contracts. We have seen put unwinding at 17,500 strike, which shed 5.36 lakh contracts, followed by 17,200 strike, which shed 1.61 lakh contracts, and 17,600 strike, which shed 1.16 lakh contracts. Stocks with a high delivery percentage. A high delivery percentage suggests that investors are showing interest in the stock. The highest delivery was seen in Nestlé India, Bharat Forge, M&M Financial Services, Power Grid Corporation of India and SBI Life Insurance Company among others. 74 stocks see a long build-up. An increase in open interest, OI, and price typically indicates a buildup of long positions. Based on the OI percentage, 74 stocks, including Colgate-Palmolive, Ashok Leyland, Can Fin Homes, SBI Card and Mahanagar Gas saw long build-ups. 22 stocks see long unwinding. A decline in oil and price generally indicates a long unwinding. Based on the oil percentage, 22 stocks including Polycab India, AB India, Siemens, Cipla, and JK Cement saw a long unwinding. 28 stocks see a short build-up. An increase in oil along with a price decrease indicates a build-up of short positions. Based on the oil percentage, 28 stocks, including Coromandel International, Balrampur Chini Mills, Berger Paints, BPCL and Granules India saw a short build-up. 67 stocks see short covering. A decrease in oil along with a price increase is an indication of short covering. Based on the oil percentage, 67 stocks were on the short covering list. These included Hindustan Aeronautics, Astral, Dabur India, MCX India and Delta Corp. Bulk deals. Home First Finance Company India, Norges Bank on account of the Government Pension Fund Global acquired 21 lakh equity shares in the company via open market transactions at an average price of 700 rupees per share, and Societe Generale bought 7.1 lakh shares at the same average price. However, Orange Clove Investments BV sold 18.85 lakh shares at an average price of 700 rupees per share. Ether Mauritius offloaded 11.31 lakh shares at 700 rupees per share, and True North Fund VLLP sold 16.97 lakh shares at an average price of 700 rupees and 97 paise per share. Neuland Laboratories, BNP Paribas Arbitrage bought 70,897 shares in the company at an average price of 2,898 rupees and 38 paise per share. Saxoff, Premier Investment Fund sold 5.65 lakh shares in the company at an average price of 200 rupees and 92 paise per share. Results on May 16. Bharati Airtel, Bank of Baroda, Indian Oil Corporation, Jindal Steel and Power, Amber Enterprises India, Cheplast Sanmar, Credit Access Grameen, Granules India, Indorama Synthetics, JK Paper, Jubilant Ingravia, Kajaria Ceramics, LIC Housing Finance, Metropolis Healthcare, Oberoi Realty, Paras Defense and Space Technologies, Talbros Automotive Components, and Triveni Turbine will be in focus ahead of quarterly earnings on May 16. Thanks for watching.